In today's tutorial, I'm going to make music using a contact microphone. So I have this contact microphone here. I don't know if you can see properly. It's called Metal Marshmallow. And this microphone has been sent to me from the company in exchange of a review. Whether it's going to be good or bad, it depends entirely on the microphone itself. And I will go around the city, I will try to record stuff in my place, and I will try to see if I can get some really interesting sound with a contact microphone which records vibration on surfaces. And by the way, you can even see my laundry here, which is not a very nice sight. And so I will go out, record sounds, put them into Ableton, try to make music. That's it. Let's have a look. So after trying extensively this product, after recording sounds, after making music and all that, my conclusion is that this microphone, it's probably one of the best microphone for an entry-level microphone for those that want to try the world of contact microphone and haven't tried before. It comes with a really exceptional, affordable price, and also the quality, the build quality of these components are really good. It features phantom power, so you don't need to have a recorder with phantom power. It has a gain adjustment from 0 to 33 decibel, and also it has a really good preamp that lowered the noise compared to its predecessor from the same company. So I would say that it's really good addition for music production, for sound design, and as mentioned before, it's a perfect microphone for entry level for those who want to experience the world of contact microphones. So I will put the link in the description on how to get it. And also I wanted to say, on a final note, thank you for the 2,000 subscriber range that I just entered recently on my channel, and it means a lot. So really thank you from the bottom of my heart. I thank also myself for doing all the content that I'm doing. And as always, I always suggest to like, subscribe, and share my video so that I can help more people with my content, and the people can help me to buy a villa in Miami with a swimming pool and a limousine. Thank you for everything, and see you on the next one.